Hello everyone, in this video how to border text in Google Docs. Let's begin. I already opened Google Docs document. Go to Insert tab, Drawing, New Drawing, Text, draw a text box and change outline color black, red. Example is black and type text. Select, increase the text size, align middle. Click Save and Close. Increase the border size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.